Ever dreamed your backyard could turn into a pizza parlor in minutes? Today I'm revealing the top 7 outdoor pizza ovens of 2025 that'll transform your nights. You'll discover real comparisons, smart tips, and exactly which oven fits your style. Stick around, links below let you explore or buy effortlessly. At number 7 is Ooni Karu 12. Here's a shocking fact. The Ooni Karu 12 can reach 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, turning your backyard into a blazing mini pizzeria. Designed for lovers of wood, charcoal, and, even via add-on gas, the Karu 12 solves the dilemma of whether to choose authenticity or convenience among the best ovens in 2025. We only push what's genuinely worth it. This one is slick, lightweight, just 26 pounds, and built for serious portability, yet it delivers real heat and flavor. In our top 7 battle, it outpaces heavier models in transport ease, though some hybrids offer steadier temp control with less babysitting. The pros are blazing heat, multi-fuel flexibility, compact footprint. The cons are mastering fire takes practice, gas kit adds cost. If you crave flavor, love experimenting, and don't mind logging some trial runs, you'll feel safe, smart, and truly rewarded with it. But if you want zero fire fiddling, a simpler hybrid might suit you better. On number 6 is PIEZANO Crispy Crust. Here's a wild idea: your countertop oven might outperform your old range by hitting 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and the PIEZANO Crispy Crust tries just that. In my head-to-head with the outdoor heavyweights in the top 7 list, it tackles the biggest pain point: lack of space or fuel hassles. With dual top and bottom heat control and a 12-inch stone platform, it bakes faster than many indoor rivals. But here's the catch. In tests it rarely holds the full 800 degrees Fahrenheit target, often hovering 700-730 degrees Fahrenheit. Its compact frame and electric design bring relief: no wood smoke, easy plug-in. Yet its limited interior height and fragile ceramic stone demand constant attention. For casual pizza lovers who want convenience and decent crispness, it's worth a shot. But for serious Neapolitan seekers, one of the real top 7 outdoor ovens will serve you better. At number 5 is Halo vs 16. Ever heard a 16-inch pizza rotate as it bakes? That's the magic Halo vs 16 brings. It's priced at $499 and boldly tilts the playing field even among those outdoor ovens dominating the top 7 best outdoor pizza oven 2025 lists. The dual burners, one underneath the stone, one behind, deliver balanced heat without you chasing hot spots. Its 360-degree rotating 16-inch cordierite stone means hands-free baking, and in under 5 minutes your pie emerges crisp. Compared to big names in those top 7 roundups, Halo trades off wood flame swagger for consistency and ease. The pros are even cooking, no flipping, strong build, simple cleanup via hinged lid. The cons are only propane fuel, no wood, interior stone can trap residue. If you want dependable, stress-free 16-inch pizza power with a seasoned voice behind you, this is worth your investment. But if smoky wood flavor and maximum versatility are your obsession, keep one eye on the classic outdoor units. At number 4 is Bertello SimulFIRE. Did you know there's a pizza oven that lets you burn gas and wood simultaneously, and reach north of 900 degrees Fahrenheit in 20 minutes? That's exactly what Bertello SimulFIRE does, and it punches right into conversations around the top 7 outdoor pizza ovens 2025. The struggle many face is choosing flavor or convenience. SimulFIRE obliterates that. Its heat trap design circulates heat for even crust, while its dual flamethrower over and under burner combo ensures toppings and base both get love. The rotating stone means no manual turning, just drop in the pie and watch it spin. The pros are flavorful char plus gas speed, consistent cooking, and innovative engineering. The cons are steeper learning curve, balancing fuels, and cleanup around burners can be fiddly. Compared to single fuel stars from top 7 lists, many lack that multi-fuel flexibility. If you're adventurous, want wood smoky depth and gas ease in one unit, SimulFIRE is worth grabbing. If you prefer simplicity or never want to fuss, stick with simpler models. On number 3 is SizzleDelite Backyard. Did you know SizzleDelite Backyard can hit 752 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 to 15 minutes and bake a pizza in 90 seconds? That bold claim grabbed me, and I forced it head to head against entries from Top 7 Best Outdoor Pizza Ovens 2025. Many buyers struggle with hot spots or turning pizzas mid-bake. SizzleDelite's 12-inch x 12-inch rotating stone solves that by spinning your pie for you. The stainless steel body looks sharp and the tempered glass door lets you watch without heat loss. The pros are fast preheat, evenly cooked crusts, visible monitoring, compact design. The cons are manual rotation, no auto motor, limited to 12-inch size, and under extreme wind the temps can wobble. When I tested it beside a Gozney Arc, a frequent top 7 pick, the Arc edged ahead in raw power but at the cost of bulk and complexity. For backyard cooks who want blazing speed and simplicity, SizzleDelite feels like a relief and smart choice. But if you demand 16-inch pizzas or auto rotation, a higher-end outdoor oven might still be worth it. What do you prioritize most in your pizza experience? At number 2 is Blackstone 6825. Hold up, this oven can spin your pizza and roast your patience, in a good way. The Blackstone 6825 brings its patented two-stone tech, rotating lower stone and fixed upper stone, to hammer some serious heat. It hits up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking 16-inch pies in as little as 90 seconds. Faced with the usual pitfalls, blistered bottoms, raw tops, this oven's dual stone setup helps balance that. Compared to picks in Top 7 Outdoor Pizza Ovens 2025, where raw flame finesse is king, Blackstone leans into brute strength and consistency. The pros are rapid heat, rotating stone means no manual turning, even cooking, stainless steel chamber. The cons are heavy, steep learning curves to manage throttle versus flame, the upper stone sometimes overtakes topping cooking. In real trials I got crisp crusts fast, though slight charring under serious temps. For power users chasing speed and performance, this is a worthy contender. But if you're after simplicity or lightweight portability, one of the more nimble Top 7 models might suit you better. Now moving to the last one is Ooni Karu 2 Pro. Imagine launching a wood-fired inferno and seeing your pizza cook in just 60 seconds, that's the power of Ooni Karu 2 Pro, and it's no accident this one keeps appearing in Top 7 Outdoor Pizza Oven 2025 talk. It rockets to 950 degree Fahrenheit in approx 15 minutes and supports multi-fuel mode, wood, charcoal, or attach a gas burner. Its 17-inch cooking surface with 5.7-inch internal height gives you room for 16-inch pizzas or even roasts. In side-by-side trials, the Karu 2 Pro brings the flame finesse of high-end outdoor units, but with smarter control. The digital temperature hub and clear view glass door let you monitor without opening the door. The pros are blazing heat, fuel flexibility, premium build, modern monitoring. The cons are heavy, gas burners sold separately, steep learning. For passionate home chefs chasing real wood aroma plus precision, this is a buy worth fighting for. But if you need ultra portability or just plug and play ease, one of the simpler ovens in the Top 7 list might suit you better. I'd crown Ooni Karu 2 Pro the winner. It smashes through expectations with 950 degree Fahrenheit peaks in approx 15 minutes and a 17-inch cooking area. Its multi-fuel flexibility, wood, charcoal, or gas add-on, gives you real flame flavor without surrendering convenience. Compared to the rest, pure electrics, single fuel designs, or complex dual systems, it offers the best balance of power, control, and authenticity. If you want serious heat, versatility, and long-term value, Karu 2 Pro is the one to go after. So guys, this was the video about the Top 7 Best Outdoor Pizza Oven 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.